Seeing the world from the sky has never been easier or cheaper. In 2026, budget drone cameras are giving people amazing photos, clear videos, and smart flying features without costing a fortune. Many people now use drones for vacations, family events, YouTube videos, camping trips, and outdoor fun. Some budget drones even come with 4K cameras, GPS support, auto return features, and battery life of more than 25 minutes. A few years ago, these features were only found in expensive drones, but now they are available at much lower prices. If you think a good drone always costs thousands of dollars, you may be surprised by the drones on this list. In this video, we will count down the top 5 budget drone cameras you can buy in 2026. Make sure you stay until the end because our number 1 pick offers incredible features, great video quality, and amazing value for the money. Number 5, Holystone HS720G. A good drone can make any trip more fun, and the Holystone HS720G is a great example of that. In 2026, this drone is sold in the USA for about $249 to $299, making it a good pick for people who do not want to spend too much money. It comes with a 4K camera that can take clear photos and record nice videos during the day. The drone weighs about 377 grams, which helps it stay steady in the air. It also has GPS, so it knows where it is while flying. Many first-time users like this because it makes flying much easier. The control range can go close to 999 meters in open places. During summer trips in June and July, many families use it to record parks, beaches, and fun outdoor days. For the money, it gives many useful things that people want in a drone. Long flying time is one reason why many buyers choose this model. The HS720G can stay in the air for about 26 minutes with one battery. That means more time for photos and less time waiting for a charge. The battery usually needs around 5 hours for a full charge. A very helpful feature is return home. If the battery gets low or the signal becomes weak, the drone can come back by itself. This helps new users feel safer while learning. Many people who bought this drone in 2025 said this feature saved them from losing it. The remote control is also easy to hold and simple to use. For beginners, this can make a big difference on the first day. Smooth video makes every memory look better, and this drone works hard to do that. It has a system that helps stop shaking while flying. Even when a small wind is blowing, the video can still look nice and clear. Many travel lovers use it to record lakes, hills, roads, and city views. The drone can fold into a smaller size, so it fits more easily into a travel bag. People often take it on weekend trips that last 2 or 3 days. The box also comes with useful items to help you get started. In 2026, it is still one of the best drones under $300. If you want good video, easy flying, and useful safety tools, this drone is a smart choice. Number 4, Potensic Atom SE. Many people were surprised when they first tried the Potensic Atom SE. In 2026, this drone is sold in the USA for about $279 to $329. It gives many useful features that are often found in more costly drones. One of the best things about it is its lightweight. It weighs less than 249 grams, so it is very easy to carry. Many travelers put it inside a backpack and take it on trips without any trouble. The drone records 4K video and takes bright photos during sunny days. New users often pick this model because it feels simple from the first flight. It is small, light, and easy to enjoy. Safety is very important when flying a drone, and this model does a good job here. It comes with GPS support that helps it know its location at all times. If the battery gets low, the drone can return to the starting point by itself. This feature helps many new users feel less worried. The Atom SE can fly up to about 4 kilometers in open areas with a good signal. That is a very long distance for a drone in this price range. It can also follow planned flight paths, making video recording easier. Many people use it during family trips, camping days, and summer holidays. These smart tools help the drone feel much more costly than it really is. Clear video is another big reason why people like this drone. The camera records sharp footage with nice colors and good detail. On bright summer days, it can capture beaches, rivers, parks, and mountain views very well. The battery can stay in the air for about 31 minutes on one charge. That gives users extra time to enjoy flying and recording. Many cheaper drones need charging much sooner. The small size also makes it easy to carry from one place to another. During 2025 and 2026, many beginners chose this model as their first drone. For people who want a light drone with a good camera and long battery life, the Potensic Atom SE is a very good pick. Number 3. DJI Neo. Some drones are big and heavy, but the DJI Neo became famous because it is very small. In 2026, the DJI Neo is sold in the USA for about $199 to $249. DJI is one of the biggest drone companies in the world, and many people trust its products. The Neo is small enough to fit inside a travel bag without taking much space. It weighs about 135 grams, making it one of the lightest drones in its group. Many travelers like this because they do not want to carry large gear all day. The drone is made for easy flying, so even first-time users can learn quickly. This simple design helped make it one of the most talked-about drones of 2025 and 2026. Smart flying tools are one of the best parts of the DJI Neo. The drone can follow a person automatically while recording video. This means you can walk, run, ride a bike, or play outside while the drone keeps you in view. Many people use this feature for social media videos and travel clips. The drone also comes with quick flight modes that create cool camera shots with only a few taps. These tools save time and help beginners make better videos. Many users enjoy these features on day trips and weekend holidays. The drone does much of the hard work for you. That makes flying more fun and less stressful. Good video quality helps the DJI Neo stand out from many other small drones. It can record clear video that looks bright and smooth during the day. The battery lasts about 18 minutes on one charge, which is enough for many short flights. The drone charges fairly quickly and is easy to get ready again. Many families use it during summer vacations to record special moments together. It also has safety tools that help stop common flying mistakes. The controls are simple and the learning time is short. In 2026, many experts still call it one of the best beginner drones under $250. For people who want a small drone from a trusted company, the DJI Neo is a great choice. Number 2. Hover Air X1. Some drones need a lot of setup, but the Hover Air X1 keeps things very simple. In 2026, this drone is sold in the USA for about $349 to $399. Many people like it because it can start flying in only a few seconds. You do not need to spend a long time setting up many controls before using it. The drone is very small and weighs about 125 grams, so carrying it is easy. Many travelers place it inside a small bag before going on a trip. It is made for people who want quick photos and videos without any stress. During summer trips in June, July, and August, many users take it to beaches, parks, and city streets. Its small size and easy use have helped make it one of the most popular beginner drones. A smart drone can make flying much easier, and this model does exactly that. The Hover Air X1 comes with many auto flight modes that do most of the work for you. It can follow a person while walking, running, riding a bike, or exploring a new place. Many people love this because they do not need to learn hard flying skills first. With just a few taps, the drone can start tracking and recording. Families often enjoy using it because both kids and adults can understand it quickly. Many new buyers learn the basic controls in less than 15 minutes. This means more time making fun videos and less time reading instructions. For beginners, this simple flying style is one of its biggest strengths. Fun memories look better when they are easy to capture, and that is where this drone shines. The camera records clear video that looks nice on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media apps. The battery lasts about 11 minutes per charge, which is enough for short adventures and quick recordings. The drone charges in about 55 minutes, so you can get back into the air fairly fast. Many people use it during family holidays, school breaks, and weekend trips. It also feels less scary than larger drones because of its lightweight and simple design. In 2025 and 2026, it became a favorite choice for people who wanted easy flying without learning complex controls. If simple use is your main goal, the Hover Air X1 is a very good pick. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K. A great drone can turn normal days into special memories, and that is why the DJI Mini 4K takes the top spot. In 2026, this drone is sold in the USA for about $299 to $349. DJI is one of the biggest drone companies in the world, and many people trust its products. The Mini 4K weighs under 249 grams, making it light enough for travel and outdoor fun. Many beginners choose this model because it feels easy to fly right from the first day. The drone has a strong build and feels safe in the air. Whether you are visiting a beach, mountain, lake, or city, it is ready to record great views. This mix of price, quality, and easy use helps it stay at the top of many drone lists. Beautiful video is the biggest reason why people love this drone. The DJI Mini 4K can record sharp 4K video with clear colors and good detail. When recording beaches, rivers, parks, and city lights, the footage looks bright and smooth. The drone also has a strong video stabilizing system that helps stop shaking during flight. This makes videos look much better when watching them later. Many YouTubers and travel lovers use drones like this to improve their content. The camera can take nice photos for social media and family albums too. Even people who have never owned a drone before can get great-looking results. For a drone in this price range, the camera quality is very impressive. Long flights and smart safety tools make this drone even better. The battery can stay in the air for up to 31 minutes on one charge. That gives users plenty of time to explore and record videos. The drone uses GPS to help it stay steady while flying. It also has a return home feature that brings it back if the battery gets low or the signal is lost. This helps new users feel much safer during flights. The control range can reach up to 10 kilometers in ideal conditions, which is amazing for this price level. During 2026, many drone experts called it one of the best beginner drones available. With its strong camera, long battery life, smart safety features, and fair price, the DJI Mini 4K fully deserves the #1 spot on this list. That brings us to the end of our top 5 budget drone cameras for 2026. As you can see, you do not need to spend a lot of money to enjoy great drone photos and videos. Today's budget drones come with useful features like 4K cameras, GPS support, smart flying modes, and long battery life. Whether you are a beginner, a traveler, a student, or someone who simply loves making videos, there's a drone on this list for you. Each drone offers something special, while still keeping the price affordable. We hope this video helped you find the right drone for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy and helpful tech videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.